This is my 1929 Ford Model A two-door project, and as you can see, it's in many parts. A few years ago I had started on this fender, took the rust off and repainted it, stopped the rust from getting any worse. And I took the body off the frame and sanded the frame down and painted it, primered it, painted it, put rust stopper on it. The frame is in pretty good shape, but then I had to move, so now I'm in a different garage, and I had to bolt the body down so that I could move the car without it doing any more damage. So that's where we're at today. Is I sat in my car hauler for 2 years. Finally, about a week ago, I finally pulled it out of the car hauler, and I have enough space in the garage now after the move and relocating stuff out of the garage. Start again on the 29 two-door. So that's where we're at with it. And you can see the different various parts and stuff, like the original gas tank here, which I had started back in 1985, working on this car. Actually got it running and drove it around the field for a little bit. And then the, high school, college, other cars, getting married, 2 kids, everything good. So this car got shuffled around in storage since 1985, so almost 40 years. It got shuffled around in storage, and it was taken apart in 1962, so that's about 60 years ago it was taken apart and was shuffled around in storage before I was born. And as a little kid, this is how I've known it, as parts and pieces, and that's what it amounts to now, is trying to get it back together, maybe get it running again. It hasn't run in 40 years, and just sort of mocked up like this, and this front splash pan, and the cowl was just sitting there because everything was stuffed inside the car body when I moved. And when I pulled it in the garage, I pulled everything out of the inside the body and trying to see what parts I have and what parts I'm missing. So there you have it.